Good evening, everyone. Turn on your cameras.
Turned on, sir, already.
Others. Guys, turn on your camera. You might have read that. You might have read the restrictions, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Well, okay. So in exercise 6.1, so let us solve second question. So guys, be on time. Actually, many of you are not joining on time.
Sir, this Sunday, this is only the test, not sir, lines and angles.
This Sunday you'll be having a test on lines and angles. So till tomorrow, whatever we are going to finish, till that you are going to get in exam. Clear, children?
Sir, tomorrow is also class.
Tomorrow, yeah, there will be a class.
Sir, you took
Saturday.
already Wednesday, no, sir.
No, 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 no.
Sir, please, sir. Please give that one day, sir.
Okay, we'll see.
So which class will we be having tomorrow? Is it going to be maths?
We'll see. Let's plan. Let's plan. Let's see. But already we didn't have the class, earlier, so mostly we'll be having, but because we have to complete the syllabus. That's why. See, Harini is seeing, watching at the camera. అమ్మా ఎన్న క్లాసులో బాబు ఏం క్లాసులో బాబు అమ్మ ఎప్పుడు క్లాస్ అంటూ ఉంటాడు సార్ ఏం పని ఉందా లేదా సార్ మీకు అసలు ఆ?
Not like that, sir. I don't have a break, sir. That's why.
See, your expression is, telling me that, your intention is complete like that. I can understand. Yes or no?
But there is no other way, sir. We have to study.
There is other. There is no other way. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, then what is the problem with you? I don't understand. Yes, Tosnika, yes. What about you?
Let me.
Tell me, what is the problem with you, Hanini ji? No, actually, is there any problem in having class?
No, sir, no problem.
Sir, one problem is this, sir. Tomorrow I have so many works, sir. Please, sir, leave that one day, sir. I have to complete so many works, sir. PPTs are there, sir. So many to complete.
In what work tomorrow? What do you have?
Sir, I should means, tomorrow seminar is there, sir. For that PPTs that all up to 4 up to 4, I think, sir. Class will be. 1 hour only will be free, sir. Please, sir.
No,
That
you
you
can
can
take
learn
at
us, sir.
6:15.
Abba?
You can take at
Another class.
6:15.
Yeah, sir, that time would be feasible for everyone.
Ah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
6:50 only I'm
6:15.
going to take tomorrow. 6:50 to 7:15 only.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Means, sir.
That
Means,
will be
sir.
okay.
Tomorrow first hour would be for your seniors. I mean 10 for 11 standards. See, everyone is like, what do you call that? Everyone's face. Sir, why sir tomorrow class again? We have taken so many classes. Already we have been through this. Again you're taking class. We need a break. Guys, you have a break on Sunday. Have a break on Sunday.
And Sunday is also test is there, no, sir. What? That is also a break, sir. You remove that test, sir. That is a break, sir. That you should say, sir.
See, look at this. That is also a kind of break. You're not gonna have a class, right?
We are having test, no, sir. That is also type of class, Elena, sir.
Test is not like you can write whenever you want. You have a
Sir.
time, so whenever you want you can write. Whenever you feel bored, you can write that.
Feel bored, then we will take test.
Yeah, if you feel bored, you can take it out.
Sir, Sunday is no freeness, sir. Only writing only, sir.
Huh?
Sunday means only, no, not only free, sir. Writing from our school syllabus, sir. They should complete it December only, it seems, sir, portion full. And January exams will start, it seems, sir, final exam. They are saying like that, sir. Writing only will be, sir.
Hmm. Guys, can you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir, not yet.
No,
No, sir.
Look at. Let's go with the second one. So this is the center point. Let's say clear. Chalo. Look at this. What he has given. So in a figure, lines xy, and mn intersect at O. Okay, these are intersecting at point O. So POY, it is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees here. All right, and A is to be given 2 is to A is to be is equal to is to 3 given. So find C. Is asking us to find C. C is equal to what? Tell me. How to find C? Look at this first.
Sir, like, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, XY is a line, right?
You turn on your camera and talk. Otherwise, don't talk.
Sir, I'm actually eating, but I'll stop eating for a while. So, XY is a line and and OP is perpendicular to it.
Yeah.
And then angle POY is 90 degrees, right? So angle POX shall also be equal to 90 degree
Yes, of course.
because of linear pair.
Yeah.
And then A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, right? So
So in 90
if we-
degrees, we have to, yes, we have to divide. So into 2 is to 3 ratio. 90 should be divided into 2 is to 3 ratio. That's what you're going to say, isn't it? Bhargav.
yes, sir.
Yes, very good approach.
So you can get B from this, and yeah.
Yeah, look at this. Let us see here. So here I know that angle A plus angle B here, A plus B plus, can I write angle POY is equal linear pair, which is 180 degrees. But POY given 90 degrees, so A plus B is going to be how much? 180 degrees minus 90 degrees.
A plus B is equal to 90.
And then we divide 90 by 5 parts.
Yes.
Which is 18, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
90 is going to be
Sir,
divided.
A can be equal to 2 by 5 into 90.
Wait. So total how many? Sorry, 2 is to 3, right?
2 is to 3, sir.
Yes. Okay, 2 is to 3. So 2 parts plus 3 parts, total 5 parts. So 90 is supposed to be divided in 5. How many parts?
5 parts.
So 90. How many times it makes? 18 times, right? So now 2 into 18 times, 3 into 18 times. Here,
36 and
36 and 54. So
yes, sir.
A is going to be 36 now. B is going to be how much? 54. Isn't it, children? Any doubt?
No, sir, but instead of all
No,
this
sir.
process, why don't we just go with the previous process like how we do? 2x
Yeah,
plus
you
3x.
can go. See here. Yeah, here we are. The intention of solving this method is to introduce ratios and proportion as well. All right. So how to solve ratios and proportions? I'm just giving a shortcut how to solve this. Clear? So you can solve by it with your mind calculation as well. It's not like that you have to go in this method itself. You can just solve by your method as well. You can just stick to the method whichever you are convenient with. It's not like you have to follow the my method itself. You can just go along with your method, but the answer is supposed to be the same at the end of the answer. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Look at this here. This is what I got, right? A is equal 36 degrees now, and B is equal 54 degrees we got. Clear? Chalo. Now, what we have to find? We have to find angle C here, right? Angle C.
So this is simple because we have all the other angles. So we just add them up and then subtract by 360 because.
Yes, of course. You are right. Of course, you are right. Of course, look at this here. We know that A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degrees, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Let us say here, we do not know. Look at, let us consider this entire part is what? This is A plus B plus C. No, here A plus B is one thing, man. One thing. Total. Look at this here. We'll add this one. POY, angle POY, angle POY plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus, and this one. Which one? Angle NOY is going to give me 360 degrees. Here I know this one, and what is this one?
We should find it, sir.
What is this one then? We have to find.
54 degrees. It's vertically
That's
opposite to angle B.
Sorry?
Sir, it's 54 degrees since it is vertically opposite to angle B.
Yes, NOY. Look at this here. Vertically opposite angles are what here? Equal, isn't it? Yes or no? If you are not understanding like that, since XY here, XY and MN both are intersecting at O, then what is going to be C? Vertically opposite angles. B is going to be what? C here. A plus POY. A plus POY is going to be what? C, isn't it? Vertically opposite angles. Now look at this here. This A plus this POY. These two together, this angle and this angle going to be vertically opposite, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one and this two red color. Okay. So let us write that. Instead of writing all this, you can do by using this method as well. Who told that sum of all these angles is going to be 360 degrees? Make angle whichever you want. All right. So look at this. Let us write. So A plus angle POY since, you write since are vertically opposite angles, so C is going to be what? C is going to be what?
So 126 degrees.
126.
A
126.
36 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is going to give me 126 degrees.
126.
Very simple. All right, now I got C. All right, this is therefore C is equal to what? Very simple, isn't it? Any doubt?
Sir, but we can take directly vertically opposite 54, na, sir. We can take directly 54, na, sir. Vertically opposite angles.
Yeah, you can take. Look at this here. For the method whichever I told, look at this here. A plus B plus C plus angle NOY, angle NOY plus angle POY
Is equal to 360.
Yes, you can do this. A no, B knows. I know B no here. I need to find out this. NOY how much?
We
54.
should find it.
This is 90. How much? 56. Sorry, 36, right?
36, sir. 36 plus 40. 44.
Plus 54 plus 90.
Okay,
Plus
sir.
angle C here. Add all this. 108. 108 plus 90. How much? 190.
198.
36, 40. So
1.
yes, correct only. 1, 3, 4, 2. Yeah, 126. Correct only. If you do that method also, you are getting 126 only. Correct only. Of course, you can do that. Look at this here. Vertically opposite angles. I know A value 36 degrees. B value 54. Angle C we have to find out. I mean C value, not angle C. We have to find out C plus NOY how much? Vertically opposite. B and NOY are vertically opposite. No. So NOY, this angle and this angle going to be vertically opposite. So 54, 54 both. Clear? So POY how much? 90 given. So is equal to 360. So send all these chotus motus to the right hand side. You will get 360 degrees minus how much? 198.
198, sir.
198 198 plus 138. 198. Sorry. How much? 134. So angle.
Sir, 234.
234, sir.
Yes, sorry, 234.
C is equal to 360 minus 234. 126 is
This is also correct. You can solve by using this method as well. Any doubts, children? Very simple, yeah. Very simple. Chalo, shall we go for the next?
No doubt, sir.
Well, very good. Next question. Question number 3. Look at this here. So he has given a figure.
Sir,
Yes.
360 minus 34 is 36.
360 minus. Sorry,
234.
234 ma. That is 234, not 34. Okay.
Okay.
So P, here Q, here R, here E has given S, here he has given T. Clear? Here angle, this angle has been given. All right. So he has given what he has given. Look at this. So in angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Prove that PQS is equal to PRT. You have to prove this. Guys, here PT is not PT. Prove that. Okay. Prove it. How can you prove, guys? See here, how can I prove? Linear pair, by using linear pair. So look at this here. S and T is a straight line, isn't it? Here can I write now? Since here, let me write here. Yes, T is a straight line. Yes or no? Therefore, what I'm going to get here? P angle PQR plus angle PQS. Observe this carefully. 180 degrees. Why? Because this is a linear pair. Yes or no? In bracket you write linear pair.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. And again, what can I write? PQR PQS. Yes. Next. Similarly, again, can I write this one as well? Similarly, what can I write?
PQR.
PRT plus P. So P
R2.
R Q is
Sir,
equal
sir, QR, sir, QR.
whatever, man. Angle R only, da, Tambi.
Uh,
Angle R supposed to be in middle. Angle Q supposed to be middle here. Angle here
you
only.
compared 7.
Ah. Chalo. 180 degrees, right? Let us say that how can we solve these two together?
Sir, we can write PQR plus PQS is equal to PRT plus PRQ.
Let us say this is equation number 1. Let us say this is equation number 2. Okay. How can we solve? Is there any possibility? So
Yes,
both
sir.
are 180. Both are 180 degrees. So PQR plus equate this together. Yeah, right? Yes. Now what he has given, look at the question. Given that this is the given condition. Here this is a given. PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to what? PRQ. This is PRQ, right? PRQ plus PQS. Next PRT plus PRQ. So now distinguish fact. What I remain with? Hence proved. Therefore, hence proved. We love writing this. Even though we are not getting the answer at last, but we love writing this. Even though we are not getting the answer at last, we'll write hence proved. Don't write hence proved unless you get the answer. Turn on your camera, sir.
Sir, already.
Not you, man. The people who didn't turn.
Sir, we can also write this question as exterior angle is equal to 2 of the opposite interior angles, right?
Sorry?
So this question.
For this question?
Sir, the exterior angle can be equal to 2 of the opposite interior angles, right?
See, exterior angle here, you mean, acha. So if you extend this, you mean this one? If you extend this, so this one is going to be, let us say this is my star. Let us say this one is, let us say this is V angle. Angle V is equal to Q plus R, you are saying? Of course it is correct. But how will you solve? Is there any possibility of solving by using that property? You can solve.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
There is nothing like, one method. You can solve by any method. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So can we prove that angle PRT is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR?
If any condition, what is the condition given? By using same
Sir,
condition? By using same condition?
yes, sir.
There's supposed to be mentioned any some condition.
Okay, sir.
Like this here, if he is, same procedure, whatever we are going that, see, he has to give, something like this. He has to give a condition, something like that. Then the method, whichever we have gone through, like, by using linear pair property, we have proved this, how simple it is. By using the same condition, if it is work out, so you can just prove it easily. There is nothing like same procedure, same, each and everything is same. All right.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it.
He has to give this kind of thing. Okay. Next question. Chalo beta, fourth question. Fourth question is a homework for you guys. Fourth question is homework. Fifth question, let us see. So in a figure, POQ is a line. POQ he has given. Where is the figure? Yes. He has given something like this. POQ. This is 90 degrees. This is yes. This is R. This is what he has given. Clear?
Okay, sir.
In a figure, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. OR is a perpendicular, of course, yes. To line PQ, yes. O is another rail lying between rays OP and OR. Okay. Then prove that. We have to prove here. Prove that R O, yes, is equal to half of QOS minus angle POS. We have to prove this one. How can I prove this? Look at this.
Sir, I didn't understand what are we supposed to prove.
We have to prove this one. We'll prove, then you will understand.
Okay, sir.
ROS. ROS. This one, look at this. ROS. This one. This angle. Look at this angle is equal to half of difference of QOS and angle POS. QOS. This angle. QOS.
Okay, sir.
QOS means this angle fully. This half. Difference of this minus POS. This full minus this one, which is supposed to be, and QOS means this one, this one. QOS means this fully.
Okay,
QOS,
sir.
this minus POS, this one. All right, divided by 2. We have to prove that one. Let's see what's going to happen. What can we write, guys? Here, given that given POQ is a straight line. Here, see guys, try to understand here. Can I write now? Therefore, PQ is a straight line. Now can I write angle POS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. Can I write, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Look at this. I'm just covering this full angle. Okay, I'm writing sum of all these angles. Look at this. This one plus this one plus this one. Clear? Understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So now here ROQ, I know this one. Angle POS plus angle SOR. This one I know that, which is 90 degrees. He only mentioned the diagram, which is this is a 90 degrees. Everyone knows that is equal to 180 degrees. So angle POS plus angle SOR is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. Can I write, guys? So angle POS plus angle SOR, which is going to make me 90 degrees. Yes or no? So look at this here. I need to find out, I need to prove ROS is equal to half of difference of QOS and POS. So look, I need ROS, right? I need ROS or SOR. I need ROS. So this can be written as ROS, anything is same. So 90 degrees minus angle POS. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So this is what POS. So let us keep it as 1.
Excuse me, sir. How did you get minus POS?
I'm just shifting to this side, man. Transporting.
Sir, can't we take POS plus SOR as ROQ?
As ROQ?
Because both sum up to 90 degrees, right? Their sum is equal to 90 degrees.
Their sum is 90 degrees. Then you will get 180 is equal to 180. No. अरे भाई देखो इसको दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आ रहा है 90 आएगा, ये 90 दिया है तो 90 प्लस 90 180 फिर से दो सेम ही आ रहा है ना. वो लेने में क्या यूज क्या है, उसमें लेने में कोई लेने देने का कोई नहीं है. ठीक है, समझ रहा है. वो ऐसे लिखेंगे भाई, तो POS प्लस SOR लिखेंगे तो उसमें 90 आएगा तो 90 प्लस 90 दोनों मिला के 180 180 मिलेगा. ठीक है, 190 प्लस 90 कितना मिल रहा है, 180 मिल रहा है. तो लेने का फायदा क्या बोल रहा मैंने पूछ रहा हूँ, उस लेने से फायदा क्या हो रहा है आपको.
जी सर, डन.
डन. सो वो लेने से मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो लेने से गलती है. ठीक है, you don't have anything, you don't have anything wrong over there, but I'm just writing this in favor of finding ROS.
I'm in favor of finding ROS. We are writing like this. Clear? So now look at this here. I need QoS and POS. इसको दोनों के look at this. ये दोनों के बावजूद हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? So in favor of QoS and POS, what can we write, guys? Tell me. For writing this, I wrote this. Now, look at this. Now we can write whatever we have. Open 1 second. भाई देखिए ये हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बन गया, ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नेक्स्ट, एंगल ROS प्लस ROQ is equal to, can I write angle QoS? Yes or no? Of course QoS. देखो, look at this, guys. This fully, I'm using green color. This full angle, this one I'm writing. I'm talking about this one. ROS plus ROQ can be written as QoS is sum of these two angles. Yes or no? Observe this. Observe the diagram carefully. अरे यार इसको फिर इसको दोनों के मिलाएंगे तो ये पूरा मिलेगा ना मेरे, मुझे ये क्या मिलेगा भाई, इसको दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो ये पूरा एंगल मिलेगा ना, समझ रहे हैं? Getting my point, children? So QoS can be written as sum of these two angles. Yes or no? Try to understand from the diagram. Sir, why you are writing this one? Why you are writing like this? Why? Because we have to prove this one. So in favor of getting QoS, in terms of QoS and POS, I'm writing this one. Clear, children? Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt here? Look at this here. So angle ROS can be written as what now? So here I know that ROQ, how much? ROQ कितना मिलेगा इधर से?
90 degrees.
हाँ देखो बेटा, देखो ROS मिल गया, ठीक है, ये QoS माइनस 90 हो गया. चलो ये हमारा हो गया दूसरा इक्वेशन, ये बन गया दूसरा वाला. देखो इसको तो अभी इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, लेट्स कंबाइन टुगेदर. See here, now can I compare here also ROS, here also ROS? Can I equate 1 is equal to?
Yes, sir.
1 is equal to, अभी क्या करेंगे देखो, ROS sorry 90 degrees minus angle POS is equal to angle QoS minus 90 degrees. आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? Or else no.
Yes, sir.
No need of
Yes, sir.
if you equate we won't get it. No need of equating. Let's add 1 plus 2. We'll do 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. What I'm going to get? If I add this to 1 plus 2, what I'm getting is 2 times of ROS. All right. So 2 times of ROS, 90 degrees minus POS plus QoS minus 90 degrees plus 90, ये 90 उसका ये बन गया ROQ is equal. ये क्या होगा भाई, देखो हाफ, इधर आने से ये तो हाफ बन जाएगा, तो एंगल QoS माइनस POS, ये हो गया हमारा आंसर. समझ रहे हैं? कोई डाउट यहाँ? एनी डाउट guys do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Very simple guys.
Sir, I did not understand this step. Come up. What happened?
Children, look at this here. Who joined now? Who joined just now?
So me,
What's your name?
like Bhargav, sir, my the battery died in my laptop, sir. So I have
No.
to join
Look at this
again.
here. Battery lined up laptop. You guys, I'm just telling you guys. I'm giving you a serious warning to everyone, not only Bhargav. See here, what I'm telling is, if you are joining after just 3 minutes of late, look at the class is at 5:15. You must be at exact 5:15 and 5:30. You're supposed to joining time. This is joining time. All right. Joining time. I'm writing here, and I will give you permission for 2 minutes. Let us say till 5:17. Till 5:17 I'll be admitting you guys. If you are not joining, I'm not going to admit you. You just tell whatever the reason to be. I'm not going to listen to you guys, irrespective of your reason, irrespective of everything. I'm not going to give you the permission. This is a serious and strong warning from my side. All right, you getting my point, children? So why? Because like if you're joining in between the class, what will happen is, I'm writing on OneNote right now. Look at this here. I'm enlarging the scene. I'm enlarging the screen now. So if you join, I won't be in a position to understand that whether you have joined or not. Look at this here. Can you able to see right corner? Look at this side, this corner. Look at this corner. Here I have minimize screen. If I minimize the screen, then I'll get to know that, oh, this student is in waiting list. I need to admit him. So I'm not going to minimize the screen. Why? Because I need more space to write. Actually, I need a more space to write. So here I have only minimum screen. I can write only this part. I can't write excess more than this actually. So for that, what I'm doing is, I'm maximizing the screen to occupy the more space and writing more thing. Clear my point? So that is what the reason, guys, I'm giving you. So you have to be on time. Already we have explained you so many things. I'm not going to give you this again and again permission. Same thing. I'm not going to accept your excuses. So guys, stop giving me excuses. I'm not going to hear in a comment. I'm not going to hear even a single excuses from your side. All right, so I'm not going to see this is not actually everyone only 10 every day. Shreyan is joining on time. Basically very few students, Shreyan and Harini, this Kavya, only 10 to 12 students are joining on time. 10 to 12 students, not everyone. 10 to 12 students only, and everyone joining after the beyond the time only. And sometime Rishikesh also joining on time, Ananya, Kaji, these guys are joining on time basically. And other children also, I'm sorry if I forgot someone's name who are joining on time, but these guys are joining on time actually. But others, none of the people, only 10 to 12 students, I'm telling, right? Only 10 to students. See guys, this is a strong warning. Now coordinators are called me and saying that in between the classes it's a kind of disturbance.
So I get
Turn
the
on your
pop-up
camera.
like join the live class after
Understood,
3
understood.
minutes of live
Understood,
class.
understood. Now who was Bhargav only, right?
Yes, sir.
Bhargav, he has joined. I know that he has joined. I'm telling you, I'm not telling you Bhargav. Don't worry. I'm telling everyone. Bhargav, you have joined. You asked you the doubt. I cleared your doubt. So that's fine. But I'm telling everyone, guys. So be on time. So look at this. If I maximize the screen, I should not come back again for admitting you. If I start the class, I'm not going to admit anyone. Clear? So you just keep in mind it, and behave accordingly. Chalo, guys. This is our fifth question.
So can you wait?
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, even I have doubt.
Yes.
Sir, the second equation thing I am not able to understand, sir.
Second equation you did not understand. Look at this. Let's
Yes.
erase all this.
Okay, sir. Yes.
What I'm writing here is, look at this. This total 180 degrees, no?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I wrote here. That's first equation I made. Now look at this here. What we are doing here, writing second equation. Sir, how did you get an idea that we have to make two equations and add those two so that we'll get our answer? How did you get an idea? Look at this. From the first equation, I know that it's a straight line. This is a straight line. Since it's a straight line, I can write it as a linear pair equation here. I'm writing this.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Right? 180 degrees I'm writing here. So guys, here for writing the second equation, ROS. What is ROS? This one. ROS is this angle, isn't it? This angle.
Yes, sir.
This angle.
Acute angle.
Yes. ROS. Wow, accurate. Next, ROQ. ROQ means this angle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is 90 degrees. Which is 90 degrees.
I know ROQ is 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Now QoS. What is QoS here?
Yes, sir. We should find it.
QoS. No. Look at this. QoS is what? QoS is one. This angle plus this angle is going to be QoS. No.
Okay. Yes, sir.
If I add these two angles, this angle plus this angle, then only I'm going to get this one. No.
Yes, sir.
This is what I'm ready. Now
Someone should mute, sir.
Yes, sir. Someone is unmute. I cannot understand what I'm saying.
Sir, Mohit, sir. Mohit. It is Mohit.
Mohit ji. Mohit.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not listening to class, isn't it?
No, sir. Actually, the thing is, my mic glitches out.
Please unmute yourself now. Look at this. See, guys, what I'm saying here is sum of these two angles. This angle plus this angle is going to give me QoS.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now let us write like this. Phi is equal to 3 plus 2, right? Can I write phi
Yes, sir.
as 3 plus 2? Or 3 plus 2 is equal to phi? Both are same only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no?
Yes, sir.
That's
Sir,
how,
of
that's
course.
how I'm writing. Yes. That's how I'm writing over there. Clear?
Okay.
Chalo. So fifth question we have done this.
So I still didn't understand. Like for example, we are in like a real life exam. We get like a similar question to this. Now we are with you. You explained us how to do both the
Turn on your
equations.
camera and talk. Otherwise, you don't ask that out.
So now we can like you told us so we can understand both the question, like
Very
both
good.
the equations and do it.
Very good.
But in exam, it's like hard to understand and do all of it.
Hard
So
to
then
understand. Then for this, you have to go through your properties. Do you know? Have you gone through your properties? What is linear pair? Have you gone through vertical opposite angles, corresponding
Yes, sir.
angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I understand, Sujay. Listen to me. Yes, very good. Very good. Happy for that. You have gone through your notes. I'm happy for that. You do one thing. See, this is the first class of solving question, isn't it? Before these classes, this class, we have been through theoretical part. We were busy with understanding the properties of lines and angles. We didn't even solve the problems. So as soon as we are eventually as soon as we start solving many questions, what will happen is you'll get to know what exactly happening with this question. That is the number one point. There is a chances of understanding 50% of the concept. Once you start solving, once you start practicing yourself, you will understand rest of the 50%. This is for sure. See, this is a first class, right? This is the first time you might be hearing about this kind of advanced type of length and angle concept. So that might be the reason you might be feeling difficult. You do one thing, don't give up. Try to keep practicing that. Try to keep revising that. So I'm sure if you have any doubts, you can ask me again. Clear?
Okay, sir.
All right. So now, did you understand this concept now?
Yes, sir. When you explain, I understood.
But when in exam, you won't understand.
It's
In exam, you will get confused. That is the logic. That is a gimmick. That is a logic. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand? So
Yes,
in
sir.
exam, no one will understand. Even I won't understand. Even you won't understand. Even a big mathematician, a great mathematician won't understand until and unless you practice.
Okay, sir.
Clear? No one understands, man. No one knows. Even a great mathematician doesn't know anything. He practiced. He worked hard. So without a problem, I listen the class, sir. Simply, if I'll go and attempt the test, sir. But I'm not getting marks. How will you get, sir? You won't get, sir. You have to practice it. You have to go for multiple times. Understand, Sujan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. I hope I cleared your doubt. Chalo. So this is what that is what mathematics is all about. Whenever we are explaining, it will be Amma. So easy, sir. अरे यार बहुत easy है. अरे यार ये कितना लड्डू सवाल है. इतना सिंपल सा सवाल हमको क्यों नहीं आएंगे? अरे यार इजी आसान से बनाएंगे हम लोग इसको. ऐसा लगेगा भाई हम लोग अगर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तभी हमारे को कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा. कॉन्फिडेंस से क्या करेंगे हम लोग अच्छे से सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. अगर नहीं सॉल्व कर रहा है घर जाने के बाद क्या कर रहा है?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
अरे भाई आपको ही मेरा वॉइस कभी भी क्रैक होता है. काजी जी आपका नेटवर्क चेक कर लीजिए जी. चेक कर लीजिए आपका नेटवर्क एक बार.
Okay, sir.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
हाँ देखो भाई आपको बेटा आपको ही मेरा आवाज थोड़ा अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा. सबको सुनाई देता है मेरा आवाज. हाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अगर आपके डिवाइस में प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरे डिवाइस में प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे तो वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है फ्रॉम पास्ट फ्यू डेज. देखो प्लीज चेक योर नेटवर्क कनेक्शन. ऑलराइट Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes it might crack. All right, everyone turn on your cameras. Those who are turning on your cameras, let me show you one option here. Leko, Dekho. Can you able to see the screen here? Can you able to see your picture?
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
we can see the screen, but we can't see the Zoom window, sir.
We're still on the OneNote, sir.
Still I'm on the
We
one.
cannot see that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this. Can you able to see your photos here, your pictures?
No, sir.
You won't.
No, sir.
You are able to see only screen, right?
Yes,
Look
sir.
at it. What I'm doing here is, let me, 1 second. Now can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
You stop the share.
Yes, sir.
No,
You
sir, you
stop.
stop sharing.
1 second.
Sir, I think
1 second, guys.
I don't think we'll be able to see all those options because your
Wait.
screen.
Let me show you guys. Look at this now. Can you able to see the screen?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है? मैंने शेयर
Sir,
कर
we
रहा हूँ.
cannot see, sir. You're using laptop, sir. If you use
Sir, we
tablets,
won't
we
see
can see,
the-
sir.
So we cannot see, sir, in laptop.
You can see, man. Look, like
No, sir.
you were you were seeing right now. You were seeing.
Zoom we won't see, sir. Only Zoom
And
app
I see-
panel is there.
No. Actually, you won't see your photos. I know that. But the option whichever I'm showing you here, will you be able to see that?
No, sir.
No.
No,
Okay,
sir.
let it be. See here, if you are not turning on your camera, I'll do simply one thing. There will be a 3 dots like this.
Sir.
अगर उसको मैंने क्लिक करूंगा मुझे मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस मिलेगा. उसमें एक ऑप्शन होगा रिमूव द पार्टिसिपेंट. उसको क्लिक करूंगा तो आप क्या होगा? आप क्या हो जाओगे? 6 में
क्लास के
जाओगे.
बाहर.
क्लास
मिलेगा. क्लास से बाहर जाओगे तो 6 मिल जाएगा आपको. चक्का क्या बोलता है? 6.
चक्का बोल गया.
क्या बोलेगा? क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैंने? थोड़ा केयरफुल रहिए. Please turn on your camera. Don't turn off your camera. If I find anyone who turned off their camera, simply I remove them out of the meeting. ठीक है. आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मोहित के जैसा बैकग्राउंड लगा लो यार. देखो मैथमेटिक्स का सर्किल, मैथमेटिक्स को पैराबोला कुछ वगैरह सब डाल दिया उन्हें. देखो मोहित का बैकग्राउंड देखिए एक बार कितना अच्छा है. देखो अच्छा सही है बेटा. देखो बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा एकदम मैथमेटिकल का इक्वेशंस कोई कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस कुछ भी बना दिया भाई उन्हें. देखो सर्किल बना दिया, लैम्डा बना दिया, ट्रायंगल, हेक्सागन, हेप्टागन, सिग्मा, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, mx
Sir, graph. One graph also. sir.
जो भी है ऐसा बना लो भाई आप भी. ठीक है. You guys also make it a background like that. It would be great. You would get the feel that अरे यार we are learning math. Understand?
Sir, but Manoj sir said virtual background is not allowed.
Virtual background is not allowed. Okay, not an issue. If it is like that, don't keep it. But you make sure that no one is running behind you. Okay. People are running behind you. क्या running participate? क्या running competition चल रही है घर में? अरे यार.
Sir, can we at least keep the blur?
Blur? Yes.
Yeah, sir. Because
Yes, sir, the background is
Sir,
black.
blur, sir. The background will be.
ठीक है भाई हम लोग अभी क्लास में जाते हैं. ठीक हो. चलो. Jokes apart, we'll get into the class now. चलो. दूसरा क्वेश्चन. अगला क्वेश्चन जाएंगे हम लोग. अगला क्वेश्चन 6th क्वेश्चन. बेटा 6th क्वेश्चन सबके लिए होमवर्क है. ठीक है. सबके लिए होमवर्क है 6th वाला. सबने सॉल्व करना चाहिए. हाँ ये हो गया हमारा 6.1 एक्सरसाइज खत्म. कोई डाउट यहाँ पे? अभी हम लोग शुरू करेंगे 6.1.
Sir, when the class will finish, sir?
If you want to leave, you can leave now itself.
No, sir. No,
I don't mind anything. ठीक है. आ रहा है समझ? If you want to leave, you can leave now itself. At 6:15 the class is going to wind up. Let me give some instructions for tomorrow's class and for your exam. So guys, upcoming exam. So let me start teaching here. So 6.2 will start it in tomorrow's class. So 6.1 till 6.1 everyone should be written your notebook, guys.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh wait. I didn't say bye. Why you are leaving, guys?
Sir, they are very hurry, sir.
Wait. See here, guys. I'm gonna give couple of instructions in the regard of your Sunday's test. So everyone make sure that you guys are solving all problems. I mean sums which has been provided in your textbook. And number 2, suggestion is go through the properties whichever I have given as a notes. Clear? All right, children. So
Okay, sir.
these are the instructions which you have to follow for your upcoming exam. All right. So all the best.
Okay, bye, sir.
Hello, wait. Hello, beta. कहाँ जा रहे हो?
She has something to do urgent.
If you want to leave, you can leave. यार इतने जल्दी क्यों कर रहे हो भाई? मुझे लग रहा है आपको थोड़ा स्ट्रेस फील हो रहे हो. I can understand. It seems that you guys are feeling somewhat stressed. So that's the reason I couldn't teach as many sums as possible in this session. So that's what the reason मुझे बीच में थोड़ा क्या बोल रहा हूँ. I'm just cracking the jokes in between the class. Understand? So that is the reason behind cracking the jokes. It doesn't mean that I'm not teaching you many sums, right? So guys, this is what